Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that my notification will get you first. So let's start the video and without wasting any time. I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see the bed, you can see the curtain, you can see the white color lamp, you can see beautiful lamp and all good lamp. In the floor you can see the wooden theme and looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the yellow color bed, the curtain, the cupboard, very beautiful, and the lamp also. You can see the chai cup also. You can see the jug also. You can see very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the yellow color bed and the white color, yellow and white mix, very looking very beautiful, very good. And the mirror also to their window. Sorry, this is also very beautiful. You can see the yellow color, the window can see mirror. You can see beautiful mirror in the window to their beautiful looking. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the purple color. The purple color and the small lights on all. You can see beautiful lights. You can see good looking very beautiful. This also you can see white and yellow color flowers on the decoration, very beautiful decoration and all looking very good. Very beautiful also. And the mirror window also, it's also where you can see the yellow color bed and all, and the yellow color bed you can see beautiful. This also you can see the cotton and all. The curtain you can see beautiful curtain, and the mirror window is there for getting beautiful view outside. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, wooden color theme floor, very beautiful floor and all good looking. And you can see the table and all, very beautiful table, very good. This one also in yellow color, and the curtain you can see the everything is very beautiful. Decoration is very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor, you can see VIP room. It is VIP room looking very beautiful, very attractive, very aggressive. It's also very beautiful. You can see the TV, you can see screen, beautiful screen and all good looking, beautiful looking very good, looking very nice. Also this one you can see, this one also very beautiful. It is luxury house. You can see the luxury house, very beautiful house. You can see the chair and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color theme and looking very beautiful, very good, looking very good and very nice. Also very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the you can see the black color bag and the white color black, beautiful bag and all looking very good. This one also you can see the two puppy dogs, very beautiful dogs looking very cute, and the bed also very beautiful. This one also in pink color looking very beautiful, very attractive, very good. And it's also very beautiful white color toilet. You can see beautiful toilet on all and good. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon when I post my new videos, so notification will get you first. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.